Hey Guillaume, it's Ronan. I'm sharing my screen right here. Let me show you how to go about reading my sheet music. This applies to Jingle Bells, Jingle All the Way, as well as any other song. So, in the lesson, I show that I use the alternate bass technique. That's the end result. How I want you to start to play the song, how we learn the song, is the right hand. I think you understand, right? Or fine. The left hand, I'm either gonna hold it over the melody. Let's start with that. So holding C. I'm here. Da 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 da. Switch to F. Ba 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 da 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 da. Together. F. C. That's step 1. Step 2, very simple pulsing beat. You could do an oompa, oompa, but let's take it easy. Just C. To F. To C. To D minor. To G. Once you get that, move on to oompa, oompa. Still C major. Now it's saying C7, so I switch to C7. Now F on my right hand, then F on my left hand together. C. Switch to A if you want. The A is right over that E. D minor. G. G7. Once you have this, and only when you could change like that, alternate bass technique. Alternate bass technique on the F. Alternate bass technique on the C. Alternate bass technique on the D, as much as you can fit. Alternate bass technique on the G. That's how we apply any kind of bass rhythm to the song. When you've mastered that, now you can do it as a waltz. Still just doing oompa pa oompa. Or I could do it as a tango. Right, I can expand, but in general, the chords are the chords that are written, fitted in by knowing the song, doing it flat, slowly introducing pulsing, slowly oompa, more complex alternate bass technique. All the way to more complex bass rhythms. I hope this helps. I have a lesson on playing songs with a complex bass rhythm where I go through a few more examples, but in general, that's how to read the sheet music and to learn a song with the bass chords. Thank you.